Dear my friend, this is Tina from Feel Sunny Limited Company. Today is a very good day. Sunshine is nice. It's a very good sunshine. So today we would like to test our 9000 BTU ACDC on-grid inverter air conditioner to you. Now we set in the temperature at 60 Celsius degree, and the inlet, the wind temperature is 9.4 Celsius degree. And this is outdoor. Now the unit is connected with city power. The red color shows the motor operation by electricity from a grid net, power grid net. Now the temperature, the set temperature is 60 degree. From this display screen, the people can see the units work by solar power or operation by electricity. Now it works by city power because it shows red. And now let's turn on the PV panel. Power connection in 2. You can see now the green color come out. The green color means solar energy coming. Yeah. And we can see the city power consumption is going down because the PV panel power coming. Now I can see from this display screen the electricity and the PV panel power is 50 to 50%. Now our units with 2 power source connection 2, we can see L1, L2 is for city power connection. You can see the watts is 220 watt voltage. And the 1, 2, 3 cable is connected with inverter, and the PV positive and negative is for solar panel connection. Now you can see it is 130 watt DC voltage connected into the unit. Oh, after some minutes, we can see the green color occupy the large percentage, and the city power consumption is only around 300 watts now. After some minutes, it will be going down more. Now I can see the city power only take very small percentage in the screen